Hello everyone, welcome back to Naoko's Happy Donabe Life. Today's recipe is steamed meat top tofu with sesame sauce. My large donabe steamer mushinabe works so hard all year round. Ground pork has a nice ginger flavor and topped on tofu slices. They are steamed together in a donabe and finished with rich sesame sauce. Let's begin. Here are the ingredients. For the meat topping, I have ground pork and grated ginger and sea salt, raw brown sugar, katakuriko or potato starch, sake, and beaten egg. And for the sesame sauce, I have raw brown sugar and sesame paste and ground sesame seeds, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. And finally, medium firm tofu. And for this dish, I'm gonna use large-sized donabe steamer called mushinabe. And this looks like a classic style donabe, but it comes with a steam grate. And the entire body is actually designed for the most effective steaming. And so the ingredients are cooked in this donabe, and it's gonna be really tasty. First, to make the ground pork topping, combine all the ingredients for the meatballs in a bowl. Knead well until the mixture is shiny. Cover with plastic wrap tightly and keep refrigerated for 15 to 30 minutes. To make the sauce, combine the ingredients for the sesame sauce in a bowl and whisk until smooth. This is a versatile sauce, so you can enjoy it with steamed vegetables, seafood, etc. also. Divide the pork mixture into 8 and shape each into a bowl. Lay the tofu pieces on a tray. Use a tea strainer to sprinkle a small amount of katakuriko over the upper surface of each piece. Mount the meatball on each tofu piece. Now the water is boiling in the donabe, so the donabe steamer is ready. Arrange each meat and tofu pieces on the steam grate. Cover with the lid and steam over upper medium-high heat until the pork is just cooked through. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes. Wow! Yes, it's ready. It looks so shiny and beautiful. Serve into small plates and pour some sesame sauce. Garnish with some green onion and ryu if you like. I'm gonna try now. Let's see, it smells so good. It's still very, very hot, so I'm gonna cut into a smaller piece. Wow, the pork is so juicy and the tofu is so fluffy, and they go so well with the really rich sesame sauce. I love it so much, and I hope you get to try this home. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Donabe Life!